Hello everyone. Today I am harvesting tomatoes from my garden and I will walk you through exactly when to pick them and why pruning is important at this stage of the season and how to get the most of your plant before the frost arrives. Since we are at the end of the growing season, I am also pruning my tomato plants. New flowers and small fruits won't have enough time to mature before the frost. So instead of letting the plants waste its energy, I remove those flowers and some of the extra leaves. This allows the plant to direct its energy towards ripening the tomatoes that are already on the vine. Another benefit of pruning is that it opens up the plant, allowing more sunlight and airflow, which reduces the risk of disease and speeds up ripening. So, when is the best time to harvest tomatoes? It is when they are developed their full color, whether that's red, yellow, or even striped, depending on the variety. A ripe tomato should feel slightly soft when you press it gently and should come off the vine with just a small twist. If the tomato is still hard and green, it is not ready yet. But if it's turning from green to lighter shade, called the breaker stage, you can actually pick it and let it finish ripening indoors on the counter. This can be helpful if you want to protect your crop from sudden cold nights. Now, if you live in an area with a longer summer season, you don't need to prune the flowers. In warmer climates, those flowers still have time to develop into tomatoes, so you can look forward to an extended harvest season. If you're trying to ripen tomatoes faster, there are a couple of tricks you can try. Removing some of the bottom leaves helps expose tomatoes to more sunlight. You can also pick any tomatoes that have started to change color and bring them indoors to ripen at room temperature. Another method is to place them in a paper bag with a ripe banana. The ethylene gas helps speed up ripening. As any other gardener, this is the best season for me. It is the time to harvest the fruit of your labor, and you have worked hard all season, and now is the time to enjoy the fruit. And here is what I harvested today: beautiful, fresh, homegrown tomatoes. There's nothing quite like the taste of garden tomatoes compared to store-bought ones. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.